What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be talking all about hair, and I'm dropping the deets on this unit that I'm rocking in today's video. But before we jump into it, I wanted to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into me installing this unit. The unit that I'm rocking in today's video is the Luvme Hair PartingMax Glueless 7x6 unit, and this is the loose body weight texture. You guys, this unit is, listen girl, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeous. This unit is super beautiful, y'all. It's super sexy. Like, I love how long it is. Oh my god, as much as I love me some short hair, the long hair eats every time. I absolutely love this unit, and my goal for today's video and for this unit was to bring you guys a unit that you can manage, maintain, and install at home. Aside from me switching the part on this unit just to make it a little bit more of a deeper side part, I literally did nothing else to this unit. I did go in with my hot comb just to kind of like help flatten the unit at the top, because I did change the parting on the unit just a little bit. But y'all, I had my T3 out, I was ready to curl, I had my scissors out, I was ready to cut some layers, but this unit did not need any of that. Like, this is a true, literally 10-minute, 5-minute out of the box unit. Throw it on your head, cut the lace, literally that's all. I had so much fun playing with this unit, just really seeing how I can style it in different ways, looking at the parting space, which I absolutely love. This unit is going to be perfect for my girls that do not want to deal with the lace front, that do not want to deal with the frontals. It is perfect because you get so much parting space. I absolutely love a closure unit. It just takes the hard part out of the whole frontal situation for me. So let's get rid of the frontals and let's get into this 7x6 glueless parting unit. So with this 7x6 unit, you get 7 inches of lace going from ear to ear, and you also get 6 inches of lace going from the top of the unit to the back of the unit, if that makes sense. You literally can go for any style that you want. Middle part, side part, half up, half down, 2 ponytails, 2 buns. The 7x6 closure provides you with the opportunity to get the same exact styles as a 13x4 frontal in the shorter amount of time and less headache, girl. This unit is literally endless. If you're really into styling units and rocking different hairstyles, this is going to be the perfect unit for you, especially if you don't want to deal with any lace front. Let's get rid of the frontals, honey, and let's get into this 7x6. Just look at this unit, girl. Just look at it. Like, it is gorgeous. It don't even need no baby hairs, girl. Like, this is beautiful. And y'all already know Luvme hair is big head and little head friendly, because I am part of the little head committee. And this unit fits perfect. I love that I get the adjustable band in this unit to make it super tight, to even make this wig fit even better, being that it is 100% glueless. And you guys can see me literally lifting this lace off of my head, and it's literally going back right into place. Luvme Hair's PartingMax Glueless Wig is the way to go, you guys. This 7x6 unit is eating the girls up. I love this unit. It's perfect for beginners. Luvme Hair always eats, and they always bring the heat when it comes to good quality hair and good quality lace. The direct link to the Luvme Hair's website, along with the direct link to this unit, will be linked in my description bar below. Make sure you guys head on over there and check them out. Use my coupon code, because this is one you need in your collection. This unit is just fire. Check out Luvme Hair, because they are literally my go-to. Thank you guys for watching this super short but yet informative video from Luvme Hair. I just wanted to bring you guys a realistically unit that you can actually wear and throw on within 5 minutes and literally be out the door. Thanks again so much to Luvme Hair, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.